迎那个Imamura先生。
Hi, hello everybody. I'm Noritsuna Imamura from Japan, but I live in Shinchu. I'm from Shinchu today. Today's title is Content-Centric Embedded Treasure Hunting Robot. Treasure hunting robot is these products. I'll demonstration after. The next. Today's agenda is 2 points. First is about me. The second is this robot. Next. My biography is my specialty is networking technology, peer-to-peer. I make a SIP protocol stack in NTT. NTT is the biggest network carrier in Japan. Next is I usually work in a community, open source software communities. Ciprop.org is this making project. And Japan Android group. This is one of Android group. And biggest community in Japan. The next is Linaro. Linaro is one of ARM Linux kernel project. The last one is my company, NPO OESF, Open Embedded Software Foundation. Because I work in ITRI in Shinchu. My company and ITRI collaborate making a testing laboratory. I usually make a testing tool and specification in ITRI. Next. Summary is, I want to skip. This is a lot of work. This is a Japan Android group. This group, Professor Maruyama and I started up this community at April 2008, maybe. And my details, the most famous, largest community in Japan. You already seen a member over 20,000 and branch over 20s. Next. Linaro project. Linaro project is making a Linux kernel for ARM chip and ARM SoC board. Linaro has 5 working groups: kernel team, toolchain team, power management team, and graphics team, and multimedia teams. And work with DI, Freescale, Samsung, ST Ericsson, and IBM. And Linaro making a Linux kernel for ARM and userland, Android and Ubuntu. Maybe future Chrome OS and now change name Tizen. Maybe we'll release someday. I usually work in Linaro for making community at Taiwan and Japan. This is Android tools. These are my work for Android. First work is a new AR toolkit for Android. This is a first program for this OSS community. This is no point. Left picture. If you take a black black square marker, you can show 3D object on this marker on your Android. And next one is OpenCV for Android NDK. This program is included in Android 4.0.1. My result is used by Google. Other is product not tools. This is first one is one of AR application. Name is Field Sketch, AR solution. This is porting OpenCV to Android work. Top picture. Top of left is a color QR code. This color QR code has small data. And this color QR code has this character's head picture information. And you take this paper, and this program calculate, analyze color QR code, and put off head data, and draw head data on this picture, overlay on these pictures. Next one is auto chasing turtle. This is face detecting robot. This robot uses Kinect and Android and small computer board. I gave a speech about this robot last year in I forgot the name, other biggest community in Taiwan on August. Sorry, I forgot the name. Oscar, yes. My speech about this. Today I speech about this robot. This robot uses a Saction like a Kinect device and air scouter, the see-through display, and mind wave, brain wave sensor, and panda board, and small humanoid type robot. I'm a writer for Japanese technical magazine. Therefore, I want to write about this event and my speech. Can I write about it? Okay. I want to take picture. please take me. Sorry, wait a minute. Sorry. Okay. Maybe I'll use this picture for my column. Maybe this column is released 2 months after. I explain about content-centric embedded. First paragraph is content-centric networking. This philosophy behind content-centric networks was pioneered by Ted Nelson in 1979, and later by Bart Baccarat in 2002. This program and specification is started to make in 2002. Now, all program and specification is released by maybe Xerox Palo Alto Laboratory. This meaning is that currently internet found servers by IP address, but content-centric network thinking is found them by content. For example, if you want a jobs picture, you input on search engine window, you can get jobs picture contents. This networking is made by top-down thinking. All networking is made by a bottom-up thinking. Therefore, all the network is made to start network switch, next servers, and set up TCP/IP stack, next HTTP server, and next database applications, and last web applications. But this thinking opposite. First design is content. Next, database, server applications, and last hardware. I made a next one, content-centric embedded. When we make a product, it thinks from hardwares. If you want a cell phone, first design is this board or CPU. Next SoC and other things, bottom-up approach. But content-centric embedded, thinking from top-down. For example, Kindle. Kindle is made by Amazon network, and next design devices. Maybe a future embedded design is started by top content. I think about that. Therefore, its important point is quick make a prototype, because almost people cannot imagine new service without real device. Almost people almost people use device and think service for this device. Therefore, you should make a real device first. But real device may need to make long time. Therefore, do it yourself. This is my current thinking. But next, future thinking is do it with others. Do it with others is make style thinking. You use all open hardwares and softwares, and you build a lot of open software and hardware, and make a new device by quickly. This style is future style, and I thought this is a content-centric embedded style developing style. I made this robot using do it with other style. I explain how to make this robot today. This robot summary. This is an AR, augmented reality treasure hunting game. You get virtual treasures by controlling real robot. You need a brainwave sensor. First manual, look at, and I have demonstration video. I show now. よし。あれ、よし。急いで。デモンストレーションビデオ。This robot. よし。よし。はい。はい。Please do demonstration. ちょっと wait. Sorry. Please hang your neck. はい。And take this glass. This glass is see-through display. And last one is a brainwave sensor and a calibrate distance device like Kinect. はい。Next. Web sensor. Maybe see-through display view is like this. See-through display has a brainwave line graph and a treasure radar. And plot a robot. This robot position. This robot position calculated by Kinect. And a small red point is treasure point. You control robot by your brain wave. The upper area is exciting area. You feel exciting plot this area. If you come down, plot under area. The middle line is maybe middle feeling. The middle line is go straight. Can you see this graph? No. Sorry. Please ask me after I do demonstration about this product for you. Sorry. Next, how to make. Last 10 minutes. I used hardwares and softwares. Hardware is my base computer, Panda board. This computer, this small computer, used an ARM chip and run Ubuntu and Android on this board. And my brainwave sensor and a deep camera and see-through display. And last one is a working robot. And software is Ubuntu and Android and deep sensor OpenNI, and both scale tracker is Night for ARM, and UI framework, Open Android frameworks for Android. Hardware as photo. Next. Software as photo. First, calculate robot position. You have to show a robot position on this radar. Therefore, you have to calculate robot position by using this device, this camera. This calculating is by length of bone. If recognize this robot, you can get bone lines. We use a front of bone line length. We calculate different lengths. If you under 30 points, this robot direction is 30 degrees. This robot recognizing bone skeleton using OpenNI at night. OpenNI is a Kinect and Zaction's driver for open source, as open source. The night is a bone skeleton tracking software for OpenNI. We use two applications, and we can recognize a bone skeleton. But Night has one problem. Night is not open source, only binary for Ubuntu. But we want to use Android and Open Frameworks UI. Therefore, we install Ubuntu and Android in one board. First boot is Linux kernel for Ubuntu and Android on Panda board. The next boot user run the Ubuntu and run and Night runs on this user run. The next run on Ubuntu by change root Android. Therefore, this board Android and Ubuntu run one board. Therefore, this memory is very few. You can use under 30 megabytes for your application. Next, recognizing bone skeleton 2 problem. Night cannot recognize our robot because normal style is left side. Head is too small, and leg and arm is too thin, and upright pose is not like human. Therefore, I wear baby wear and put on a hat and recognize and make recognizing pose. We can recognize this robot. Next, how to control. This line graph is brainwave graph. Upper area is exciting area. If you keep 2 plots in same area, in upper area, turn left. The middle area is active, normal area, goes straight. Lower area is relaxed area, turn right. You can control about that. The brainwave, what wave is what feeling. Gamma wave is exciting. Beta wave is active. Alpha wave is relaxed. Theta and delta is sleeping. We use 3 waves, gamma, beta, alpha, for these areas. But this control is very hard. If you want to plot, if you want upper area, you have to train in 30 minutes. Maybe you control 30 minutes, you can control very well. You can download source code map, this URL. And if you want to try it, please ask me. Maybe you can experience like Google Glass. Maybe. One more thing. My friend said this meaning is one more thing in Japanese. Why do you work? I usually, I'm usually asked about that. I work for money. Yeah, no, this work not consumer product for demonstration. In Japan, same salary, even if hard work. Therefore, a Japanese-based job is public servant. Almost Japanese people want to become public servant. No engineer, no other work. But Japanese engineer want to work, program and make other things because Japanese engineer has a lot of IT seminars. Japanese engineer has a lot of fun time in IT seminars. No job. Therefore, Japanese engineer work making program and making specification and do test. I think no money economy is good. Oh, that's at 33 minutes. The money economy is made by single value. One thing has one price. No thing has no price. No thing is like for spiritual. Do IT seminar and do communities. But I think this is a bad economy. I want to other economy style. One of answer from Shimeji. Shimeji is one of Android application made by two Japanese engineers as hobby work. This application is taken over by Baidu, 2 million USD, 2 or 3 million USD. Shimeji, Japanese input method application. But this application's engineer talk to two people, write to two people. Why did Baidu take over it? This technology for input method, but these developers don't have a technology for input method because this application base is OpenIME as engine. Therefore, they don't make input method engine. So they don't have technology for input method. The next, install user base, but this application is used by developers, only developers, no use normal people. I think this user base is no good. But their strong point is one of the most famous developers in Japanese Android community. Therefore, Baidu want to get respect in the Japanese community. Therefore, Baidu take over it. I think this is one of future economy Therefore, this economy is called by a respect economy. And this first showing IBM Global Innovation Outlook 2.0, 2006, release in 2006. Time up. Sorry, today time up. Finish. I make a new community in Taiwan for Linar.org. If you join this community, please ask me. Thank you.
那我们再以热烈的掌声谢谢伊莫拉桑。